In this example now I have 1 minus cosine to the power of 4 theta minus 1 minus cosine to the power of 2 theta equals to sine squared theta. So it's basically similar to the previous example. We have 1 minus cosine to the power of 4 theta. If we use the difference of squares, which is a squared minus b squared, will be equal to a minus b times a plus b. I can write same thing here. So 1 is the same as 1 to the power of 4. It's going to be 1 to the power of 2 minus cosine squared theta times 1 squared plus cosine squared theta. So then I will write it again here, divided by 1 minus cosine squared theta. So these two cancel out, and the answer will be 1 plus cosine squared theta. So I made a mistake here. This one was 1 plus cosine. Originally it was 1 plus cosine squared theta. So this one has to be 1 plus cosine theta, and these two cancel out. So that will have here only 1 minus cosine squared theta. So 1 minus cosine squared theta will be sine squared theta. So as you see here, that's proven.